Alright guys, welcome to Lab 9, 30.9 Practice Lab Test 2, Practice Test 2 I should say, so 30.9. The task here is create a solution that accepts an integer input representing water temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, output a description of the water state based on the following scale. So if the temperature is below 33, put F. The water is frozen? Oh. Print F, the water is frozen. The water is between 33. Oh, Fahrenheit. I was like, F? Like, why? Are they trying to do a function for me? I am tired. It is late. If the water is between 33 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 Fahrenheit, including 33, put the water is cold. If the water is between, so hold on, let's start. Let me kind of do this. So 33 equals hold on, let me do the hash. 33 equals frozen. 33 to 80. Water equals water is cold. 80 to 115 equals water is warm. 115. Oh gosh. Oh, we're medulla apparently. 115 to 211, including 115. Let's do this. Water is cold. Sorry, I'm separating them. Equals water is hot. Yeah, so I want that in quotes, but I'm not gonna type that for my little stuff. And 212. The water is boiling. Oh my god, they already typed that out. That's crazy. Why did I not look at that first? I just had to scroll down a little bit and I would add it. Okay, well, moving on. Don't worry about that. So this is going to be, obviously there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ifs. And then you kind of tell what statement they're going to want. Is when they have the if the water is caution hot. If the water temperature is this, watch out for ice. These are additional options. So in the following circumstance. So let's do everyone's favorite int input. Gotta love it. And then let's do our if, and else statements, because that's what we're going to be doing here. If temperature is less than, we're going to actually equal to 33, print frozen. I feel like I should be adding an exclamation mark on it. Also print watch out for ice, exclamation mark. That's very important. You actually have to have that. If temperature is, I'm going to do greater than or it goes on the side, my bad. Greater than or equal to, we're just going to 212, print boiling. Then we'll also do another if statement below this, because there was another one that said if the temperature equals a certain number, make sure we add that. So in this case, it's 212. If temperature is exactly 212, put, oh my boy, caution, did I spell that right? Caution, hot. All right. Elif, back at it. Temperature is greater than or equal to, that's not greater than or equal to 115. Such a good zombie song. Print hot. Alright, now on to the other elif, because you have multiple. Temperature is greater than or equal to 80. Print warm. And then else, anything else that falls under the potential for print cold. Alright. See, it does have this stuff in like quotes in the task line, but you don't, as when it's resulting, it doesn't have any quotes. So let's run this program to see if that did not work. What is the issue? Expected a semicolon somewhere. Right here. That told me exactly where it was, but I was blind for a minute. Okay, boiling. It does not have a semicolon there. I don't know why that's there. All right, we're on it. Let's do 32. Frozen. Watch out for ice. Heck yeah, we did it. Let's run it again. Check our work. 118. Hot. Heck yeah. Hot as heck. And that's it for this one. Pretty easy. We just run through the if statements. So it's if the temperature is greater than or equal to 33, we're going to print frozen, watch out for ice. And so if it was 33, it would just stop here. Like this is where we're done. However, elif, if it wasn't 33, let's say it was 212, oh, we stop here. But also, actually, let's run 212. I'm curious now. What did I do? I can't stand this. Yay. Okay, so it says boiling because elif 212, but we also have another thing. Since it's 212, it's equal to 212, but is it equal to 212? Because if it is, that's another nested branch, I think. Is that a nested branch? Nested if statement? Not a nested branch. Nested if statement, because it's an if statement inside of an if statement. So if it's 212, then also print caution hot and boiling. So you get both. Best of both worlds.